Baby shower, and these are a couple of the items that we got. We're gonna open some of them up on camera so you guys can see them.
Alright.
Hey y'all.
Wagwan.
OJ Merge here.
There one more time again.
We just got home from our lovely baby shower. Shout out to Mom Dukes for putting it all together for us. Now we got all these nice gifts for our baby boy, and we couldn't wait to open them. It feels like Christmas kind of. So we decided that we're just gonna go ahead and open them tonight. So if somebody did write their name on here, we will tell you guys who we got the gift from. But of course everybody didn't write their name on their gift, so we won't be able to identify everybody. But we did get a really nice bassinet for our baby, and that was from my friend Christina. She bought that off of the registry, and that was super helpful because obviously baby needs somewhere to sleep, safe, away from his dad rolling on him at night. So
put that guy on the floor.
Another big one, of course, are Pampers. You always hear how babies need Pampers. So we have an 84 count of Pampers. This is for somebody that is 12 to 18 pounds. So I would say this is not for newborn. This is probably like when he gets a little bit up in months. Then we have some Loves, a 108 pack of Loves, which is pretty dang on good start. And this is also 12 to 18 pounds. So again, we have a good amount of Pampers for when he's the age of 2 months, which is exciting, very exciting. And then somebody made this lovely pamper cake. Yeah, I thought this was super unique
And creative.
I can't tell if it's like for newborns or older kids. I don't want to take it apart though because it's so pretty. I mean, it's a little bit lopsided because I messed it up. And then it comes with a little rubber ducky.
She's doggy.
It squeaks. Christmas! Oh, we have a tummy time prop and play. This is for 0 months, starting at 0 months. So it looks like a toy for baby to kind of just train his neck maybe so that he can get his neck muscles, because they say babies are supposed to get tummy time so they can build strength in their neck. And this came from the Persades. Is that Trinidad?
Yes.
Trinidadian? Okay, so thank you Persades. Super cute toy.
Jamila, big up yourself. Sean. Big up yourself. It's like goat meat.
Oh my gosh, somebody got me the baby bottles that I was hoping for. Thank you from, I don't know. Shay?
She told me, she said the purple bag is mine.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Thank you, Shay.
She said the purple bag was hers and we gonna love it. And she ordered it. So guess what happened? I think she went on the registry and signed, and then she ordered it to come to her house, and then she brought it.
I'm so happy about that. Okay y'all, so I wanted these nano baby bottles because they're great for babies that are used to breastfeeding, and I want my baby to kind of be used to both. Not just be addicted to the nipple, but be willing to drink out the bottle too. And apparently these are really good for babies that are transitioning and whatnot. So yes, I opened it, but
True pack.
oh, and she also got us a nice nursery kit. So it comes with the pacifier, a nail clipper, a little thermometer, some other cool gadgets.
Those when you got cold.
Yeah, the little booger pump thing. Some nice little washable infant wraps. So
wrap the baby up in.
yep. We can swaddle the baby. I don't know if he's gonna like being swaddled. They say babies don't like being swaddled, but I'm swaddling him.
Why?
So he don't scratch his face.
Why are you swaddling my baby?
Well, he might like it. From Rashad. Okay, this is from my brother. My little brother. He got baby a nice fit. He need all the long sleeve little joints he can get, and this is a very nice one.
Facts.
Thanks, bro. Thank you. Cute little white travel cases, so something to put the wipes in. That's cute in case we send them to grandma's house. We can pack them up real nice. We got, oh, I wanted these too. These are the towels with the hood. It's like a little robe. So
Slide his head in there?
yeah, so when he's done taking a bath, he won't be shivering. Yeah. Super cute. Oh, thank you. I love these. I love these so much. Also, we got some baby washcloths, so he ain't gotta be using the ones that his dad used and catching a bump.
Yo, that's crazy.
Oh, look at your little hoodie, babe. Okay. You put this on him with some little sweatpants. He gonna be looking like he ready to go work out at the gym.
You better need a job.
More t-shirts. Oh, their outfits. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, look at him. He got a little athletic wear.
You're gonna have to start do working out. You're gonna need a job.
He got his little athletic wear, honey.
Got his jammers. Little jammers.
Yeah, this is his nighttime
Relax fit for
relax
you know?
fit, so he can just be chilling. Very nice. I don't know what age he'll be in this, but hey,
long as he can fit.
it will come a time where he will be up in that thing. So don't know who that was from, but very, very nice gifts. I know that this is from Monica. This is a friend of my mom. Shout out to Monica. Always coming through with something nice. So we got some Spider-Man socks that come with a bow tie, you know.
What are you gonna do with the bow tie?
He gonna wear it with his Spider-Man socks. Got some more slippers.
Boy, I don't need no damn bow tie.
Hey, maybe he got a date or something.
Date
You don't know.
to go to bed. That's what it is.
You don't know his life.
It's his date to go to bed.
Oh, this is really cute. Some pants and a nice little t-shirt with a cute hat. Like it, like it, like it. This is when he's on his bougie stuff. He gotta wear his all white where he gonna behave and not mess it up. Cause it come with a nice little bib.
And it says hangry.
And it says hangry.
What does that mean?
You hungry and angry. So that's cute, that's cute. I don't think we need that bag though. Socks. Yeah, it's like a sailor outfit.
Yeah.
Mama's little man. Oh my gosh. Oh, so cute. Look at that, y'all. Cute little Nike coat for the winter time. I don't know what age a baby can fit this stuff, but he will grow into it. Donna Karen. Hey. Oh, this says 2T, so that's like taller. Right? Like a 2-year-old?
Yes.
Then we got a Nautica joint. You know? Just something fly for the cool kids. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, we got more. We got a polo hoodie.
It ain't gonna take him too long to get his feet and knees. Especially if you got your feet, big one.
That's a lie. I wear a modest 7.5, so don't
Make
do
it sound
that.
modest.
It's a modest
17.5.
So this card came from our friend Gladys.
Gladys.
Not Rankin.
No, not right. Gladys.
Gladys. And Gladys sent us a nice card. A miracle just came into your life. A miracle made of tiny baby boy smiles and hugs and lots of love. Congratulations from Dennis and Jessica Gladys. And we have a nice gift card for Target, which you can never go wrong with Target. You always gonna find something in there that you need. So that is just lovely. And this is from Suzette.
Ah, nice.
From my boo Suzette. And she got us a nice $50 Amazon card, which is awesome. We set up our registry for Amazon, so clearly we like Amazon a lot. You can find pretty much anything you need on Amazon.
Anything on Amazon.
So this is what's up. Thank you, Suzette. We definitely gonna make use of that. Dave, don't be stealing from the baby. Trying to buy yourself some new fresh gear on Amazon. And we have some pamper swaddlers. And finally, I was looking for the newborn pampers, because this is what we're gonna need coming straight home from the hospital. That's 2 months. But we got some pampers for a newborn, so thank you. Whoever got us this nice one, I don't know, but this is a 31 pack, so we're gonna have to re-up on some more then.
We're gonna do 300.
Yeah, but those are the ones, these are like the MVPs right now.
You're gonna have to buy 300 of those.
And then we got some lotion for
there
baby.
you go. So you ain't ashy.
Baby Dove fragrance-free lotion.
Mama got ashy in there, so you know, shocked.
We got some shampoo and conditioner. Wash his hair.
Yeah, cause mama got a lot of dandruff.
You really want to do that thing? I don't think you really want to do that. It came from Lily Johnson.
Who the heck is Lily?
Is that what it said? Oh, I know. Lee is my mom's neighbor.
Oh.
Yes. Lee is my mom's neighbor. All right, here's another big one. Another big one. This was like Christmas. Oh.
Is that Christmas?
Yay, babe. We hit the lotto. Newborn.
Nice.
Newborn. This is what he needs today with his little butt. And this is 162 count for newborn.
So there goes.
So we got about 190. That's a great start. I'm really excited about that.
Put this over here.
You know, people really came through with the Pampers and the white.
Yeah, they did their thing. Thizzle.
The camera is threatening to die on me, so I'm gonna try to hurry this up. So we also got a gift card from Walmart from Foster and his wife.
Foster and Kay.
Foster and Kay. Thank you, Foster and Kay. We got this nice Walmart gift card. Can't go wrong with Walmart. Always gonna find something there that you need.
Thank you, KK. Also a watcher of the vlog. So, Kay, big up yourself.
Big up, KK.
That's what, another gift card?
Yeah, that came from Foster and Kay. Also from Miss Zena, that's a friend of my mother's. We got some cute little baby gear, newborn PJs with the footies.
Our friend is Zena?
Zena, that's the one with the little baby.
That's the warrior princess, ain't it?
A bath set, so he has some more towels and washcloths and more socks and some bibs. Can't get enough bibs. Congratulations on your new bundle of joy. May God watch over him and continue to bless your family. Love, Zena. Very nice.
Thank you, Zena.
Thank you, Zena. Tiffany is the same person that got us the diaper cake. Those little feet will be following in some pretty amazing footsteps. Enjoy every moment with your new baby son. Congrats on your new addition to your family. A child is such a blessing from Jehovah. Being a parent is a tough job, but if you keep God first and raise your child according to the Bible, you'll have the best guide. Love, Tiffany. Hope you like the diaper cake and cupcake onesies. It was my first time making them. So sweet. Tiffany is an awesome girl. They appear to be some nice little onesies rolled up in the form of cupcakes.
She was creative.
That's so unique. That's super unique.
And creative. She did her thing.
And every little cupcake has, it looks like maybe a onesie and then some socks. So that's pretty awesome.
She did her thing. She put some work in and some thought.
Yeah, she sure did. 72 diapers in here.
Newborn again.
Oh my gosh, thank you. I'm so glad I got this.
What is that?
This is newborn washing detergent because they're sensitive, so you don't want to wash their clothes with the same stuff we use.
So why you washing my clothes with a newborn joint?
Cause your skin rough.
That's what it boils down to. It's not nice.
So that's really great. I'm glad because like I can start washing his stuff with this. I was thinking about like washing some of his clothes before he gets here.
Yeah.
I don't know if people do that.
Probably should do that.
Yeah, so if that's the case, then I already have the detergent to get started on that. So I'm
You
super.
get it on that detergent. Or we're gonna get it on my detergent.
And we got some more wipes. A pack of 288.
Where did they buy these ones?
These are
That one is cool.
These are the hypoallergenic ones. So these are plant-based. I don't know if I see a name on this one.
Oh, this is.
But yeah.
So these are the
Yeah, hypoallergenic. So there's like
Yes.
they're all natural.
All natural wipes. I've never heard of that shit.
6 months. Got the dinosaur, the gator joint, so he can be, you know.
Wipes Black Asta for those.
So yeah, these are all for 6 months, which is excellent because he's not gonna stay a little tiny thing forever. He's gonna grow fast, apparently. So he'll be well on his way to start wearing bigger boy clothes. And these are all for the 6 months.
Oh, you got a football shirt. Football onesie.
Yep. This gift was from
From Cecil.
this gift is from Cecil.
What does it say?
It says, "Watch your language, asshole. I'm a baby." Oh, Omar and Marshall.
Oh, yeah. What they got?
They got him some socks. I thought they were mittens because the way they shape, but I guess they just for newborns. Socks, matching shirts to go with his socks, body sleeves from Marshall and Omar, and some flannel blankets. Some blankets for baby. This looked like a lot of laundry though, I'm not even gonna lie.
Well, the Pampers goes in the trash.
I see laundry, that's what I see.
Amara Martian, to get this up.
We have more wipes. We have 192 pack. Plenty of wipes.
Wipes it, man. You know, it is.
Plenty of
You
wipes.
got organic wipes. You got that. Is that a Q-tip on the back?
No. So this is a toy for baby. A rattler toy.
He's gonna bite it up.
And it also has a nice robe with it, a nice little towel with the hood for bath time, which I love. So we are really happy for that. We also got a baby bather. This is really cool, actually.
So what you do? Keep my shoulder inside of that?
Yeah, this is basically his little bathtub. You just set him in there and wipe him down. And I guess it has nets in it, so not gnats.
And the water drains up?
Yeah.
That's pretty dope.
That's pretty convenient because I was thinking just get him a tub, but
You can sit that inside the tub.
yeah.
That's what you do with that. You sit him inside the tub and then you bathe him.
Yeah, so a baby bather, and it reclines, and it looks like it's pretty. It says you can use it in a sink or in a bathtub. Cool, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So he got more washcloths and a hooded towel. And a nice swaddle blanket.
I like that joint.
And this came from someone I don't know, but it says, "May this gift from above be your family's delight. Congratulations. Have a blessed day." I'm really happy about this, guys. This is the vibrating bouncer. I feel like every baby needs this. Like if you don't want to hold the baby, but you still want them to be occupied, you put them in this seat and it bounces them for you. So they kind of just doing their little thing. Then they got some little toys up there to play with. So it comes with a vibration to keep baby calm.
That is very good. I'm interested.
And the last couple of gifts. The last. Huh?
Let me push them over.
I think I got them. There's one. The last couple of gifts are a pack of wipes. This is 386 wipes.
That's a shitload of wipes.
So it's the equivalent of 64 counts. Pretty impressive. Pretty
got
impressive.
6 pack in there, so got 6 packs.
And it comes with more Pampers. Nope, I lied. More wipes.
Shitload of wipes again.
These are the wipes, guys, and this is a 1,008 count pack of wipes.
1,008.
1,008. I think we should start with this pack.
I think I should use some of those packs.
I think we should start with this pack of wipes and
Work your way down.
work our way down. Well, I mean, what you got to lose with starting with the 1,008 pack?
I think we can start with the small ones and work our way up to that
You
one.
think you should start small?
Get rid of the small ones and then that organic joy. That's a good one.
And last but not least, a baby teething soother.
You see that?
So it looks like they make it like a glove. You put it on baby's hand, and when baby's teething, he has something to chew on. When they start teething at what age?
Whenever the teeth start coming.
When is that?
Every baby teeth comes in differently.
Approximately what?
Approximately almost I'd say
Close to 1
year old. Yeah.
Okay.
Approximately somewhere around there.
It's crazy because this says 3 months and up. So some baby get teeth at 3 months.
Probably.
And people still be breastfeeding.
Hell yeah, they gonna bite your titty out regardless. Even when they got pure gums, they gonna be nibbling on your titty. Even when you got 3, you gonna be telling them, let it go.
So yeah, guys, that is those are the things that we got from our baby shower, and we were really happy to receive those gifts. It gives us a great head start for baby. Make sure that he has the things he needs to succeed.
Yeah, man. So big up everybody who come on the baby shower tonight and bring them gift or whatever it is. It was well received and highly appreciated. And yeah, just one of them things.
Yes. Alright, that's all we got tonight, guys.
Alright, the OJ merge again in all day I know and J day I know OJ merge. Boom.
You me lover, you me want to be my only cheek. Girl, give me your finger, me have to put a ring on it. Night nurse, me addicted to your nightly trick. Never get a loving like this, like this.